Cooper&Hunter, Comfort Innovations. To replace the indoor fan motor, first we have to remove the cover of the unit. To remove the cover, you should open the front panel, remove the filters, and detach the electrical cover. Then, release the air temperature sensor and disconnect the display. Unclip the louver. Remove the 3 screws to detach the cover from the unit. Tuck the wires in. Unclip the top side of the cover and lift the entire front panel. It will come off as one large piece. Next, we should remove the electrical box subassembly. Remove the small cover to disconnect the fan motor and stepping motor. Then, remove the temperature sensor and cut the zip tie. Unscrew the ground wires. Remove the top screw from the electrical box subassembly. Then, pull back the small plastic lever to loosen the electrical box and remove it. To get to the fan motor, you'll have to remove 3 screws from the fan motor bracket. You'll need a handheld screwdriver for this one. Then, detach the grille by removing 1 screw on each end of it. Finally, on the left side of the evaporator, remove the screw from the frame. Turn the fan blower until you find a gap between the blades. Find the screw and loosen it by 2 turns. Lift the left side of the evaporator and remove the bearing from the fan blower. Now, remove the fan blower. Lift the evaporator to open the fan motor bracket and remove the fan motor. replace the fan motor. Secure the fan motor bracket. You will hear a click when it locks. This clip is to demonstrate how you will secure the fan motor to the fan blower in the next step. Make sure the flat side of the fan motor rod is facing the fan blower screw, as demonstrated in the previous clip. Slide the fan blower onto the fan motor and replace the bearing. Make sure that the fan blower is centered, leaving a gap on either side of it. Turn the fan blower to find the gap between the blades. Then, replace the screw to secure the fan blower to the fan motor rod. Replace the screw on the left side of the evaporator. Reattach the grille and replace the screw on either side of it. Then, secure the fan motor bracket. Replace the electrical box subassembly. Clip it in and replace the screw. Reattach the temperature sensor and connect the ground wires. Replace the zip tie. Reconnect the fan motor and stepping motor to the main board. And reattach the cover. Replace the cover of the unit. Clip the top side to secure it. Reconnect the display and clip the temperature sensor in place. Replace the 3 cover screws. Replace the electrical cover. Insert the filters. and reattach the louver.